Hey guys, I'm gonna be doing another little round of news typer. I did film a couple of these, but the reason why I didn't publish the video or whatever, I still have it still on stream, and then I was gonna upload it to YouTube. Why I didn't do that? Probably because I didn't have a graph. Now this is test scripts for generating graph. Here we go. There's a graph. Now I'll just try to predict how long these are. I already did this, but politics. Trump. First of all, politics. And then Trump helicopter story. An entire story. That's gotta be like 200 rows at least. But no, it's only 36, which is actually decent. So we're gonna be doing this. Now I think the logo is a bit off. It's supposed to look like this, but it looks like that. It probably updates every time I press a key. Yeah. Now it's hard to type and talk at the same time, so I'm just gonna stay silent now. Do voiceover, I guess. Alright, so this is the voiceover.
Typing time 23.11.
So I guess I'll talk about that. That was a text-to-speech I got. The problem was the text-to-speech. I was searching everywhere for text-to-speech solutions, and this was the only one that worked well.
Estimated completion time 9 minutes 14 seconds and 98 milliseconds.
And you might recognize that voice. That voice is actually the one from Google Translate or whatever. It's the Google AI text-to-speech voice. Yes, they had AI back then.
Typing speed 42.57 words per minute.
God, AI got so fucking bad now. And now, you can see the row 3 out of 38.
Raw typing speed 51 words per minute.
You can see that it's reading off some of the stats up, it's in the top right corner. You can see row 4 out of 36. The next one is
typing
the time that you've been typing for, down to the millisecond, because why not? The next one is the estimated time that you'll complete this whole text. So it will get a new estimate every time you do the row, so
row 6
you can see it went up there. Probably because I started typing slower. Because I hate typing names, honestly. You know, it's kind of like a word, but
typing
very
time 2 minutes
whatever.
0 seconds and 1 millisecond.
Anyways, the next is obvious. WPM is words per minute. I have it down to 1 decimal point. Then we have raw words per minute, which is like words per minute.
Estimated completion time 8 minutes 17 seconds and 5 milliseconds.
Except instead of calculating it based on, words per time, oh god, not words per time, but stereotyping
typing speed 42.71 words per minute.
Anyways, the raw words per minute is just how long it took you to type out a single row using the standard words per minute calculation.
Raw typing speed 38 words per minute.
Which was I don't know how many letters per words, but and anyway, the raw words per minute is different than the words per.
Typing
how the words per minute is
is
kind of like the raw words per minute, except that it takes into account missed letters. So, see, I type emergency, but I mistyped the E. So that means that the words per minute is going to be lower, since I didn't type it properly. It just I made it so that it prevents stuff like key mashing. You know, you can
Typing time
complete a
3
row quite
minutes
fast, but
41
you're not
seconds and
getting any of the
91 milliseconds.
characters right. So your words per minute will be really low, but raw words per minute, it doesn't matter, so. And then accuracy, which I also
Estimated
have 2
completion
decimal
time
points, but
5 minutes
since it's
59
a
seconds and
percent
67
meaning
milliseconds.
100, it's actually pretty precise, but since it's like a ratio between how many words that you've typed
Speed
versus words that you've typed
48.64 words per
correctly,
minute.
yeah, and I got 100. Now I'm pretty sure you should focus on 100 words per minute accuracy. Now, yes, some of y'all will like type pretty slow at 100% accuracy because you gotta make sure you hit every single key, but honestly, you should try like doing, if you're trying to practice your typing, try doing like a monkey type prompt with something. Type how you normally would, yep. There's your words per minute. And then try to get 100% accuracy. And you'll be surprised how good you'll actually type with that. Spending time typing slower for some reason makes your words per minute goes up because you're not missing any of those keys. Even something like 95 words per minute, which is quite high, you miss 1 every 20 keys pressed, which is not good. And then there's 98, which I think is like, that's pretty good though. For something like news.
5 minutes 24 seconds and 83 milliseconds.
News typing is kind of like,
that took a hit on my accuracy.
Just kind of like typing quotes.
X.
Although it is way longer. So if you're into that thing, you might enjoy News Typer.
Estimated completion time 4 minutes 43 seconds and 58 milliseconds.
I also didn't talk about the text-to-speech, how it works. How it works is it kind of uses the same code as the
Typing
stats.
Speed 48.43 words per minute.
Also, surprisingly, it text-to-speech was able to read the formatted time thing. I didn't actually make it say hours, minutes, or seconds, and milliseconds as well.
Raw typing speed
it actually
39
has it
words
built
per
in,
minute.
which is quite impressive. Google really did a good job with that one, and I'm glad I use it. So I made it so that it's modified.
Typing accuracy
96.22%.
So like it says typing accuracy instead of
I hate capitals.
ACC.
Damn it.
Yeah, capital letters kind of fuck me up, but I should probably focus on that.
Slow down a little.
I'm just doing what I can. I try doing one every day, but
out of 36.
Why is the accuracy going all weird? I think it's like some sort of rounding error. Anyway, yeah, I modified
better,
a little
but capitals are still fucking me up.
And then I use a modulo
typing
operator.
Time,
no.
7 minutes 6 seconds
I can
and
only
71
describe modulo
milliseconds.
as a clock face, except it starts at 0. So let's say there's 7 icons. If it starts at 0, then that means it goes from 0 to 6.
Estimated
Since normally you would go
time,
start
2 minutes,
from 1.
23 seconds and 59
But modulo
milliseconds.
starts at 0, which
What the hell?
is a bit easier for some code. That's why lists in normal programming languages start at 0. Just to make math like this easier. So it's like a clock, so you want to move like 2 units if there's 7 items, or like 7 units within each clock cycle, then that means it will go to the second one, so it'll be 2. But if you moved it 12 times, it will actually do a 360 and go back to the first one.
Raw typing speed 40 words
so
per
you get
minute.
It kind of caps you out at a certain limit and then just loops back over. That's basically how it works.
Typing accuracy 98.11%.
And also do tricks like convert units very easily with that, but yeah. And then I use that trick to cycle through each one of these typing stats.
Also, I'm very happy with the
Row
text
30 out of
rendering.
36.
I have it so that I made my own word wrapper. I'm not sure if I implemented extremely long words that doesn't even fit in one row, but some of my word wrappers does account for that
Typing time
stuff.
8 minutes 55 seconds
And the
and
text
91
cursor, it actually
milliseconds.
it just loops over each text and prints each character onto like the thing. And when it encounters like I have whichever row or
Estimated
column the
completion
cursor's
time
on,
1
so
minute 8 seconds
it's
and
a
56
basically two if-else
milliseconds.
statements. Well, no, it's one if-else statement with an and in there. So
Typing
it's
speed
if the
61.44 words per minute.
row you're on is on the cursor and the character you're on is also on the cursor, draw the cursor. And then it does stuff like drawing the mistype things within a list.
Typing speed
I have a
42
list that
words per minute.
it gives you information like what characters you haven't typed yet, what characters you have typed, and any characters that you've mistyped. And then I just delete rows at the top
Typing
so that it's
accuracy
Oh my
96.66%.
And that's pretty much the end of it.
First time I typed a asterisk, but yeah. Alright, 40. A little over 40. That's why I have... Oh god, how many decimal points? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. God damn, 14 decimal points. And even more for this one, because it's a percent. It's 96 point yada yada out of 100. So that's like a... Yeah. That's percentages. Alright, so we have a graph over here showing the typing speed. So I guess it was at 2. I don't know why it's showing 2 decimal points instead of, you know. It's just 1. I need to check on that. See if my math is off. That's not 1. Alright. Oh, what the fuck? Why is my mouse all... Is it because I'm putting my... No, what? Huh? Anyway, damn it, what was I gonna say? I'll talk about the decimal points, because that's a bit unnecessary. Here, like, if you divide the Earth is extremely large. I'm out here rocking the 14 decimal points. Either you're handing out the raw floating point variables, or you built a database to track individual atoms. You probably need a high-speed camera on every single button push to even do that, so it's not even that accurate. I could round off, but whatever, it pads like... I need to take up that space some way or another. I could rearrange some things. Why does that white not look that white? Because I made it not white. So yeah, it would be more accurate if I had 1 extra decimal point. I think some people need like even 1 or 2 decimal points. Like I like having all that I can. I think 3 or 2 for temperature would be nice. I understand why it's only like... you don't need that much for like fan control, but for me, I like seeing all the data I can get. But these digits over here, nonsense.
Typing time 21.07. Estimated completion time 10 minutes 44 seconds and 74 milliseconds. Typing speed 48.82 words per minute. Raw typing speed 36 words per minute. Typing accuracy 96.55%. Row 6 out of 41. Typing time 1 minute 58 seconds and 48 milliseconds. Estimated completion time 6 minutes 51 seconds and 34 milliseconds. Typing speed 54.84 words per minute. Raw typing speed 58 words per minute. Typing accuracy 98.27%. Row 12 out of 41. Typing time 3 minutes 18 seconds and 39 milliseconds. Estimated completion time 5 minutes 18 seconds and 43 milliseconds. Typing speed 43.48 words per minute. Raw typing speed 44 words per minute. Typing accuracy 89.47%. Row 18 out of 41. Typing time 4 minutes 52 seconds and 86 milliseconds. Estimated completion time 5 minutes 44 seconds and 58 milliseconds. Typing speed 52.61 words per minute. Raw typing speed 37 words per minute. Typing accuracy 98.27%. Row 24 out of 41. Typing time 6 minutes 28 seconds and 54 milliseconds. Estimated completion time 5 minutes 18 seconds and 72 milliseconds. Typing speed 43.14 words per minute. Raw typing speed 40 words per minute. Typing accuracy 100.0%. Row 30 out of 41. Typing time 8 minutes 9 seconds and 76 milliseconds. Estimated completion time 2 minutes 25 seconds and 34 milliseconds. Typing speed 53.38 words per minute. Raw typing speed 47 words per minute. Typing accuracy 96.49%. Row 36 out of 41. Typing time 9 minutes 41 seconds and 35 milliseconds. Estimated completion time 1 minute 0 seconds and 18 milliseconds. Typing speed 51.48 words per minute. Raw typing speed 46 words per minute.